Shah Rukh Khan, Alia Bhatt, Preeti Zinta. They all have one thing in common. Yes, dimples. Although those dimples are God gifted, but did you know that there is a surgery that can make dimples in just 30 minutes? Hi, I am Dr. Anmol Chugh, cosmetic and plastic surgeon in Gurugram, and today I am going to tell you how we can create dimples for you in just 30 minutes. To understand how the dimple creation surgery works, we have to understand how our dimples form. Dimples are formed due to a natural defect in the cheek muscle, which is the zygomatic major. Normally, between the skin and the muscle, there is tissue. When you smile, there is no hollowness. But in people with dimples, there is a natural defect in the cheek muscle, that is the zygomatic major, as it directly attaches to the skin. Therefore, whenever the person smiles, the cheek is pulled inwards, thus creating dimples. How is dimple creation surgery done? Dimple creation surgery is a 30-minute procedure which is done under local anesthesia, and after the procedure you can resume your work. So the dimple creation is done totally from the inside of the mouth, so there is no scar or telltale sign that you have got any procedure done. First of all, marking is done in consultation with you. Where exactly do you want and how we can give you a natural look. After deciding the site, mark the area on the outside, that is on the skin. Similarly, inside the mouth, we mark the same side so that the outside and the inside are same. Next step involves giving the local anesthesia to numb the area so that the procedure is painless. A small cut is then made inside the mouth. To understand the procedure, you have to understand that cheek area involves mainly 4 layers. Skin, that is on the outside, underneath that is the tissue part, then there is the muscle part, and the inner lining of the mouth is the mucosa. So, we give a small cut inside the mouth, that is in the mucosa, and create a defect in the muscle, that is zygomatic major. Then a fine absorbable stitch is taken from the muscle to the inner part of the skin so that whenever you exert pressure or smile, then there is an inward pull that creates hollowness in the form of dimple. This stitch is completely absorbable, but in the starting there will be something known as static dimple, that is, even when you are not smiling, the dimple will remain visible at least for 6 to 8 weeks. After that, when the stitch resolves, then it will be a dynamic dimple, that is, it will only appear when you smile. The recovery after dimple creation surgery is smooth. Most of the people don't even take painkillers. There might be a bit of swelling that resolves usually in a day or two. We advise to apply ice pack so that the swelling reduces. Also, you can resume your normal activities from the very next day. The results of dimple creation surgery are long lasting and they are very gratifying. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions regarding dimple creation surgery or any other cosmetic surgery procedure, please feel free to DM us or you can write to us at plasticsurgeonanmol@gmail.com. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much.